It's another jam-packed show today as we usher in the school year. On today's Stoplight TV, we cruise to Pampanga and China and back again as we take a ride in the 94-kilometer-long Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway and hit the first LMFI Philippine International Motorcycle Convention and exhibit at the Clark Field in Pampanga. We then fly to the Shanghai International Circuit in China for the penultimate round of the A1 Grand Prix World Cup of Motorsport, exclusively here on Stoplight TV. We then take a step back at Eastwood City as we showcase the Chevrolet Club of the Philippines on Stoplight TV's Motor Weekends. And last but not least, we go out of our way to Tuguegarao City for the 22nd leg of the Honda One Make Race Series. All that and more on this week's show, so start your engines cause here comes Stoplight TV. And here's the latest Motoring Club news. Clark Field in Pampanga was filled with Land Cruisers as the Land Cruiser Club of the Philippines recently celebrated their anniversary. Several chapters from all over Luzon are also there to take part in this momentous event.
Magkakasama kami ng mga tiga Manila, mga tiga dito sa Pampanga, mga tiga Batangas para i-celebrate ang 10th anniversary ng Land Cruiser Club. We are happy with this club kasi nakakasama namin yung iba't ibang miyembro na meron Land Cruiser. Ganun din, sinasama din namin yung mga pamilya namin para magkaroon ng bonding dito sa club.
We encourage all the Land Cruiser Club or owner of the Land Cruiser enthusiasts to participate in our club, and hopefully our club will be widened in the near future.
For those of you who would like to know more of our club, please visit www.landcruiserclub.ph. And for those of you who would also want to join our club, you can also inquire through our members, and nandun din ho sa website namin.
Know the latest about your favorite local motoring club only here on Stoplight TV.
Good afternoon, Stoplight fans. Welcome to the first LMFI Motorcycle Exhibit and Convention. Yes, it's happening here right now at Clark Field, Pampanga.
A series of sports activities was recently held in commemoration of the newly built multi-billion peso Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway, or the SETEX. The three-day event, dubbed as the 94K Weekend, was kick-started by the Luzon Motorcyclists Federation, or LMFI, with the first LMFI Philippine International Motorcycle Exhibit and Convention that showcased the newest motorcycling trends and the latest motorcycle models. The 94K Weekend Festival also featured other activities, such as the Executive Cycling Competition, the 94K Ultra Marathon, a celebrity torch relay, and the BMW Test Drive and Test Ride. There were also live bands, bazaars, and booths of different kinds to make the event more memorable.
So maybe you'd like to tell our viewers that despite of how you Mad Dogs dress up, but you Mad Dogs are very conscious about road safety.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. We always practice riding formation. Like before we let the guys join, we make sure that they understood and understand the rules and can ride good. And a lot of guys have gone on the Batangas safety courses, and there's safety courses too as well that they've taken, just to learn their skills. It is well worth it, I believe, if you're a junior rider, and but that's the way we try to operate, is safety first.
Of course, I'd like first to thank those who have come over, those who have sponsored and supported this event. This only highlights our advocacy for road safety, courtesy, and discipline. And we want to become a continuing partner of government in the implementation of the land transportation law, which is the Public Act 4136. We wish to be able to help in the enforcement of laws, particularly on proper licensing, wearing of helmets to promote rider safety, and certainly to advantage also the pedestrians, so that, you know, if we have courteous and polite drivers, then the pedestrians will have no problems.
We will be hosting the second, not LMFI, but motorcyclist convention and exhibit in Baguio. And I'm calling the attention and the support of those who were not able to join us this year. I hope that next year they will be able to join us, so that all of us will be happy. And it will also be their move to support the government's safety month, the month of May, and to show to the public that they are also concerned with the riding public.
And with regards to the coming convention for all motorcycles of the whole country, that will be a big event. I expect that more sponsors will be coming in, and I hope the support of the industry will be most welcome.
General Pase, former LMFI president, handa na ba tayo, sir, para sa next convention sa Baguio?
Wala nang urungan to. We enjoin all clubs to support the activity. The convention will be here in Luzon. And siguro mas maganda ito kung tayo lahat nandoon.
Catch more historical motoring events only here on the most viewed motoring program in the Philippines. You're watching the internationally recognized Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV's deal is powered by Chris. Call 0919-328-1115.
Metro Girl has a new lease on life thanks to surgery. That's the big mama.
75% of motorcycle accidents are caused by motorist failure to look and yield the right of way. Looking twice saves lives. Safe drivers look for riders.
Igalang ang kapwa motorista, isang paalala mula sa Stoplight TV. A1 Team Switzerland's Neil Liani played out a perfect performance during the A1 Grand Prix Shanghai Sprint Race, dominating the action from pole position to seize his fourth win of the 2007-2008 season. Liani also set the fastest lap of the race to pick up maximum championship points and increase his nation's lead over second placer A1 Team New Zealand after they failed to score. The Swiss team now needs to increase its lead by just 2 more points to secure the title honors, with 1 round of the championship remaining at the Brands Hatch racetrack in Great Britain. A1 team candidates Robert Wickens, who made his final A1 GP appearance of the season, raced to an impressive second place to join the Swiss star on the podium, holding off Portuguese rookie Felipe Albuquerque, who was again on his superb form to notch up his second podium finish at only his third A1 GP race. Once A1 Team Switzerland's Neil Liani had made it to the first corner, he was never under threat, and by the third lap, the 24-year-old racer had pulled out a 2-second lead over Canada's Wickens and Portugal's Albuquerque. The Portuguese rookie started on the front row but made a mistake as Liani pulled away, allowing Wickens to sneak through from behind and take second place. Albuquerque put pressure on the Canadian throughout the race but didn't make it past, and the pair went on to cross the line in second and third position, a massive 4.6 seconds behind sprint race winner Neil Yanni.
I went into the race trying to win it, if not to get good points, but then when I saw he was out, I had even less pressure. I just needed to finish.
As the day continued, A1 Team USA's Jonathan Somerton made history when he took his and his team's first ever race win in the A1 Grand Prix feature race at the Shanghai International Circuit. Current title leader and pole sitter Switzerland's Neil Yanni lost second gear early on in the race and fifth gear towards the end, so despite a heroic drive, he couldn't stay in touch with the American car and crossed the line in fifth place behind title rival A1 Team New Zealand's Johnny Reid in fourth place. Jonathan Somerton, who recently turned 20, was joined in the podium by Portugal's Felipe Albuquerque, who put in another incredible performance to finish second place and take his third podium finish in his only sixth A1GP race. A1 Team Ireland's Adam Carroll, marked by his maiden A1GP victory in Mexico, was also in great form, racing for third place and notching up his and his team's third podium finish of the season.
Great, unbelievable. It's one of the best feelings I've had ever. To win the World Cup of Motorsport, to race in it, I'm real happy. And to represent America as a country, that's even better.
Catch more highlights of the exciting A1 Grand Prix World Cup of Motorsport, exclusively shown here in the Philippines on the country's premier motoring and motorsport show. You're watching the award-winning Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV's Motor Weekends is powered by Eastwood City. This is your city. It is indeed a fact that Eastwood City is still the best place to hang out for car lovers and car aficionados. It was proven once again when Stoplight TV recently held another leg of the longest-running motoring club-centered activity in the history of Philippine motoring, this time featuring the Chevrolet Club of the Philippines. Chevy cars were lined up and showcased at Eastwood City Central Plaza, while spectators and passers-by were amazed at how the owners, as well as the members of the club, modified, dressed up, and showed off their own personal works of art. The night was packed with exciting games and cool prizes. Entertainment continued with a live band performance that made the audience and Chevy Club members dancing and grooving to the music.
At syempre, dito din sa ating Motor Weekend part na ating pag-invite for the CCP or the Chevrolet Club Philippines. We have, of course, their major sponsor, the GM Philippines of the Chevrolet Quezon Avenue and Chevrolet North EDSA. Our ating mga skinhead boys at the back. And syempre si Miss Bang, the branch manager for Quezon Avenue. Hi, Ma'am Bang.
Hi. Hello.
Tell us more about how Chevrolet is keeping up with the market.
Yeah, Chevrolet is doing very good in the Philippines. We have launched our newest car, the Chevrolet Captiva, who's selling very well. And then we have exciting promos for our customers, like, for example, the Spark, Belt.
Yes, we have lowest down payment, as low as 59,000 all-inclusive.
59,000?
Yes, all-inclusive, LTO registration for 3 years, 1 year comprehensive insurance, and chattel mortgage.
Mukhang bukas meron akong Chevy.
Yes.
Well, we have a lot of in store for our customers. If they could just visit our branch at Quezon Avenue, North EDSA, Manila, and Makati.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa pag-support niyo sa CCP or sa Chevrolet Club Philippines. Thank you so much, GM Philippines. Okay, nandito na naman kami sa isang segment na aming Motor Weekend dito sa Eastwood City and syempre featuring Chevy Club Philippines! Anyway, hello Steven, halika dito. Si Steven, kamusta ang Chevy Club?
Okay naman, inaanyayahan ko ang lahat ng may-ari ng Chevrolet dyan sa buong Pilipinas na sumali sa amin sa Chevrolet Club Philippines!
Ang saya-saya! O sige, paano naman sila magiging member sa Chevy Club?
Okay, una-una sa lahat, bisitahin nila yung site namin at www.chevyclubphil.tk.
Okay, mga dancers ito mga ito!
Okay.
Talaga naman! Okay, ilan na ba ang members sa Chevy Club ngayon?
Yung mga active members namin, more or less, nasa 40 na. Tapos mga 360 na rin ang mga registered members all around the Philippines and internationally, marami rin kami members from international.
Wow, astig yan. So ikaw naman, kamusta naman ang Chevy Club sa'yo? Kamusta naman ang... Sobrang enjoy! Aside sa fun, meron ka rin natututunan about your cars. It can help you what to do with your problems. Like ako, when I bought my car, I had problems. I have no idea about cars. And it helped me, which is good, di ba? Maging member na lang din kayo ng CCP. Just get in touch with their president here, Stephen, and just check out their website,
ChevyClubPhil.tk.
Kahit paunti kami dito, masaya pa rin kami.
Hotel pala.
So ano ba pinapala ng CCP? Yun lang yun!
A different kind of high and exclusivity is always achieved at Stoplight TV's Motor Weekends. So you and your club could be next to be showcased on the country's longest-running motoring club-centered event series. Just email us why you want to be part of this momentous activity at info@stoplight.tv. That's info@stoplight.tv. And you could be the next to show off at our Motor Weekends at Eastwood City. The Stoplight TV Motor Weekends, an original concept of Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV's Motor Weekends is powered by Eastwood City. This is your city. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike, a product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! Honda Philippines Incorporated Motorcycle Division recently held the 22nd leg of the Honda One Make Race Series at the Cagayan Sports Complex Oval Field in Tuguegarao City. The off-road race event was exclusive for XRM 110 motorcycle riders, which included different categories such as Super Stock Novice, Super Stock Expert Modified Novice, and Modified Expert. There were also special races like the XRM 125 Open category, the Ladies Race, and the Executive Race. It was a sunny race day, and dozens of riders joined the event to maximize and enjoy the potential of their Honda XRM bikes in a safe racing environment.
How did you find our race today? Kumusta yung race natin ngayon?
Ayos naman po. Medyo tricky lang. May oval kasi medyo madulas. Yun lang naman, madali naman po siya pag yung wala lang disgrasya, gano'n.
Ilang taong ka na bang nagsumasali dito?
Bali po, second time pa lang po, third time po to, pero dalawang time na po to na national. Una po yung sa Fort Bonifacio, tapos this po.
Alam mo, si Ralph is a member of Tuguegarao Speed Riders Club, no? Ralph, kahit sa The Fort, no? One Make Race, dumadayo sila. So, talagang ngayon, nung dinala namin dito with your invitation, salamat nga pala, nag-champion ka sa wakas, ano?
Nga po. Chamba lang.
So, Jerry, hanggang sa kaduluduluhan ng Norte, nandito ko pa rin.
Mas okay to, land trip mas mapupuntahan ko to. Kaya nandito ulit kami para sumuporta sa One Make Race.
Pero mukhang dito, nakaisa ka lang. In the previous races, medyo marami. Kumusta naman yung mga local racers dito? Dumadayo din to sa Manila, di ba?
Oo, dumadayo din sila pag may race sa Manila. Kasi sa nangyari sa expert stock, naputol yung preno ko yung mismong tapakan kaya nawala Pero okay lang. Bawi na lang sa susunod.
Matanong ko, Jer, pang ilan na ba yan? Baka mamaya puno na yung nilalagyan mo doon.
Bali pang, siguro, 9 time na nag-first place ako sa
Di ko mo, Jerry Beats, regular suki ng Honda One Make Race. Jack, sabi mo kanina, bumiyahe ka ng 8 hours. Saan ba kayo nanggaling?
Ilocos po, Narbacan.
Narbacan, Ilocos. Ilang oras yung binahe nyo?
8 hours po.
Ganun ka talaga ka-loyal sa Honda, no? So, kumusta naman? Ngayon nanalo ka. First time ba yan o pang ilan na yan?
Marami na po. Tapos nag-champion po ako sa Clark, Pampanga. 3 po yung champion ko po.
So, maasahan ba namin sa mga susunod na races, dadayo ka, 8 hours yun. Kung gawin namin, let's say sa Bicol, kasali ka ba doon?
Opo.
Ganun. Ganun talaga ka-loyal yung Honda, no? Okay. Okay. Ang dami din taong pumunta dito. We had about no less than 5,000. In the audience, they were so engrossed. Napaganda po ng laro natin. Stoplight TV fans, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga susunod pang Honda One Make races. Abangan niyo po. Please also visit our website www.hondaph.com for further announcements. Stoplight TV, the number one.
Catch more of the exciting Honda One Make Race series, exclusively shown here on the Philippines All Motoring and All Motorsports Show. You're watching the world-class motoring program called Stoplight TV.
Ang idol sa kalsada, tama akong pumorma. Ito ang unang-una. Dress for safety. Lagi mong suot ng helmet, glove, thick protective gear, at boots. Be protected always. Magmotor na may diskarte na hindi maaksidente. This quick safety tip is brought to you by Honda Philippines, Honda Safety Driving Center, Honda Foundation, and Bantay Kalikasan.
Well, boys and girls, we hope you enjoyed another super cool episode of Stoplight TV. We want to hear from you, so let us know what you think by typing on your cell phones on space stoplight and send to 2948 for all networks. You can also send us an email at info@stoplight.tv. For our friendsters all over the world, you can join any of our accounts and be part of our more than 5,500 friends. Just add us up at stoplight_TV3@yahoo.com. For our viewers in North America, you can get in touch with us by dialing 1-206-888-2691. That's 1-206-888-2691. And for our global 24/7 broadcasts, just log on to www.stoplight.tv. That's all, folks. Always remember to buckle up your seatbelts if you're driving a car, and to always remember to wear your helmet properly if you're riding a motorcycle, so we can all see each other at the next stoplight. Ciao.
Nakakabaliw, nakakaloko. Hanep kang gumalaw. Galing-galing o talagang sumayaw.